She pulled the toning off.
Okay, stand her up. Oh, big girl. Eric, push the stuff down where I can see her sock.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, how precious. She looks like a little Amish girl.
That's not the look I was going for.
It's not. Don't worry.
Pick her up a
Everything's
little bit
Eleanor.
so you can see her feet. Pick her up a little bit.
Yoo-hoo. Eleanor. There you go. Good girl. Wow.
Grandma, to your feet. Hold her up.
Oh,
Go ahead.
how sweet. Yes,
Sit her up on
she's
your
a
legs
sweet
so she
girl.
stands on your legs.
Look at them legs.
Oh, you're so pretty. Look, can you flap?
Yeah.
Eleanor.
Yoo-hoo.
You gotta send Linda a picture of that cat.
Well, I think we have about 100 of them right now. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Yeah. Let Chrissy hold her and take a picture.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.